Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OctaFX to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to launch your OctaFX application on your phone, or you can access your OctaFX account with the help of your web browser. So whichever method you choose, you just have to first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Now once you have done that, you are going to see this type of application interface in front of you. So it is going to basically show you whether you are using your real account or a demo account. So here, simply tap on this arrow icon that you see on the home page. After tapping on this arrow icon, on the top you are going to see the settings option. When you tap on the option of settings, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. So from there you need to copy the server first. After that, simply launch your MT5 application. If you haven't downloaded it from your Google Play Store or App Store, you just have to download it first. Afterwards, tap on the option of Add Trading Account. Now here in this search bar, you just have to paste that particular server in exact format which you have copied from your OctaFX application. So here, when you paste it, you are going to find the server over here. So after tapping on the server, you need to go back to your OctaFX app. From there, you need to copy the login credentials. So first of all, after copying the login ID, you need to paste over here. Then tap on the option of password and provide the password as well. So once you have added these details, simply tap on the option of login. And this way you will be able to connect your OctaFX account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.